Hi viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is DJ Lenny Vivo. I have a brand new video to share with you guys today. Popular dancehall artist Ding Dong is basically cooking some curry chicken with his friend from overseas. I see that they're really enjoying themselves. I'm just sharing this video. Hope you guys enjoy this video also. I'm asking you please to like, comment and share, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll be the first to update whenever I upload a new video. So hope you guys enjoy the video.
Young artists, no my artists them man. The skill is intense man. Skill is intense right now, you know.
Me not kick here till it burn up.
But one thing I don't like, brother, the 90s artists them star, and allow the youth them star.
Them not really showing a love.
That's why you see people rate me up to today Vibes Cartel sing song and call me name like Cartel and like boy I sell out.
Hey. Yo.
Me always want big like Tony Mataran. And right now, look like I'm big on Tony Mataran. You see pray?
Who run boya? And we run boya.
I'm with my brother Dingy, and I'm gonna teach him how to make curry chicken with a little bit of surprise, Jamaican style. I'ma teach him. Right on, Dingy?
You can't teach me how to make curry.
What?
You don't even know how to season up chicken.
Who? Me?
You don't even know how to season up people and fly forward all the way to Jamaica. I said, Ding Dong, I see you cook some curry chicken the other day and everybody had talk about it. So I want you to show me how to cook the curry chicken so you can carry it back home. For sure, Uno. You don't know nothing about cooking, yeah?
Who? Queen Chef. All I want is peace. Listen, one love, unity. Why we gotta compete with each other? Competition is my brother. I teach him. Look.
Me and you compete now.
Take that off. Yeah, look. I teach him. Yeah.
So right now, hear my talk, I hear that this. We
Who?
make I make the real signature chicken, curry chicken. Mix a little curry chicken back. You see me have had a little chicken back tonight with curry chicken.
The chicken that I cut.
Mm-hmm. You don't cut nothing, man.
Hey.
Alright, when cut up. See? And then now, I put corn in it with watch it. You see this? Secret ingredients. Secret ingredients. Grace butterbean.
No competition.
See? With white rice. Grace jasmine white rice. You know the chat already.
Why we must always compete with each other?
Why we have to compete?
Why we can't just work?
Yeah.
One love, one peace. I wanna work with you.
Yeah.
I'm not in a competition with you. You my brother. I showed him. I cut the chicken. Listen.
Right now.
My ego and pride doesn't let me go against my brothers. My ego and pride is so calm that I'm gonna let him season it. Yeah. You wanna season? Go ahead, Dingy.
Yeah.
A season.
Yeah, I tell him, so listen, here what? You have to cook the food, but you have to season it for your car.
Yeah.
You don't really know how to really season up. You see what I mean? Yeah.
Ginger.
Who tell you? I guess.
No, me know. Gingy. Why about Gingy?
Yeah, bulb with that, you know? Bulb is soap.
Fire the catch, outdoors.
Hey yo, I'm gonna show you something. Let me tell you something. Bobby is doing what I am, on fire. Fire, throw it, Bobby. Let it fire. Bobby, blows on skirt.
Really hard black style, we will show them.
So now we clean the chicken.
Yeah. Really hard black style, you know? No pretty up.
No.
Jamaica.
Come on, we gotta work together. That's the problem. Y'all trying to compete with each other too much. That's the problem in the world. So much competition.
Yeah.
Everybody wants to be the leader instead of come together and lead together.
Yeah.
Scotch bonnet.
Enough pepper off in there.
Hey, Scotch bonnet, Scotchy.
Yeah.
So first we cut the onion, then we cut the Scotch bonnet, the pepper. It's a hot. Hot shit, fire. Fire, feel that. Skeeto! Stop a skeeto! Calm down. We gotta cook.
Mosquito them are going away. Yeah, because you can't make them too
too big.
Yeah.
Everything grace. Why is everything grace? Eh?
Grace is what? Grace is joy. See? Murder. Yeah.
This is ding dong specialty. Yeah.
No more than that.
No more than that.
I'm gonna reach over this here.
Now we gotta mix this up.
Yeah.
We gotta mix it.
Yeah, if you use
Queen
hand,
chef,
mix.
eh?
Yeah.
Hand. He wanna use spoon. Fire up the spoon.
Yeah.
Fire up for that.
Fire for that.
Eh? Queen chef, listen. Peace, prosperity, love. We come together and work together. Try the dinghy. Disha in the back hiding. But go ahead.
Yeah.
Mix it, yeah. Mix it. Look. Pay attention, look. Oh! You saw that? Look. You saw that?
By yourself.
No. Look, you gotta make sure, look. Oh! Hey! Peace! And we work together. Look, watch.
Man, come here, take out the meat them now and put on this. Take out the meat them. Take out the way of the seasoning, man, fight. Take out the way of them, man. Peel out the seasoning, man, fight. Yeah. Pepper, yeah. Hype in a dog.
We want love, we want peace, we want to work together. We're not trying to compete. It's my man. Competition. Hey! I don't compete. I am the competition. Fire for that.
I think them burn the curry. I have to burn the curry with some pepper. Hype it up.
You burn the curry.
Yeah, pepper.
You must always burn the curry.
Always.
Always.
Yes.
We work together. Communication is the key. Why don't you communicate with each other? Stop thinking what somebody, I can't think what he's saying.
Yeah.
Huh? He communicate. Tell me what to do.
Yeah, alright. So what you meat, man?
Yeah. Ah! Watch it, bro. Watch me. The curry I burn.
They got my brother Bulby soap. Bulby soap. Mobile. Jaden. California. You know his style?
Eh?
Now show him how to put the real curry chicken in here.
Yeah. With a little bit of Queen Slip flavor.
Yeah, that's
Queen
good.
chef. Queen chef.
Queen chef.
Bless.
Right.
Ding it. DJ Wagon. I owe you for that box. You see that? When I touch, look. Oh, watch. Look at that. Skills. Show them Diggy what to do next. We want peace. We want communication. Stop trying to compete with each other. Work together. One love. You know that's the number one thing that hurt us as people. Competition. Friendly competition is always good. But when you compete and you build envy, it gets bad.
Sure.
Diggy Wagwan.
Sure.
Uh-huh. Remember the fire high, so we gotta watch it, Diggy.
After I watch it.
Hot. Bobby have the fire high.
It's in a cold stove. The turn down so easy.
Fire for that. Turn on the stove. Fire for that. Boom.
Wash rice, you know? Really hard style, brother. Not pretty. Jamaica the thing. England river. See style. Grace jasmine rice. Bodice rice. Queen split.
Yeah.
Bro, that. Now real life. That's my friend right there, real life. We don't compete. We support each other. That means we support each other. We don't compete. You hear that?
Yeah.
We don't compete.
Tell them, Dingy, what you doing? Cleaning the
No
rice?
compete, I wash the
Don't
rice.
compete. Yeah, wash the rice.
Yeah, and I
How
don't
much
wash
time
the
you gotta
rice.
wash the rice, Dingy? Tell them. The people don't know how to clean rice.
You have to wash the water clear. Not too much starch I go in there. You have to wash the water clear off the rice, you see me? And then I'll show you now how we measure the water for cook the rice. You see what I mean? Yeah. Yeah. I didn't know you don't get the food stuff we do, you know. Yeah, because I remember the first day I come to Jamaica, you know. By a gar country. And the first day, he stayed in Kingston the whole time, the first time. So the first day the man got country. Man said, Dingy! I'm not staying in country no more. I'm waking up to scrambled eggs and baiting. Man said, you know, I sit down.
Yeah, true.
I said, alright. I don't know if you can, my brother. Yeah, I'm gonna ask them, I don't know. Jasmine rice, you see me? So you have to take your time. Measure it, use a fingertip, like right or so. And I cook jasmine rice on top of it. Some people use fart too. I can see on the middle if you know the precise amount of water for use. You see me? Fart again. So listen, I have to turn down the fire extremely level. See? Go low. Yeah, we don't want to go low. So you have to turn on the fire extremely level. The plastic bag now over. See me? After you put on the butter. This style. Yeah. Put it free now.
The plastic bag help.
Free now.
The plastic bag help it
Steam better.
steam it better.
Yeah.
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 Watch what thing you doing. You teaching. You teach. Am I teach? Am I teach? Yeah.
Next time open up pot there, magic.
Light it out.
Stir, flip, stir. Stir, flip.
All right.
Yes, butter bean.
Hey, work together.
Murder.
Work together. Dig it. You gotta work together. Listen. You gotta stir it up. Stop playing games.
Yeah, kind of done it enough flip.
Partition rice.
Partition rice. We don't go shelly rice. Partition rice we call it flip.
Yeah.
We separation rice. Yeah. Rice not each on and lumpy. You see style? Yeah.
Partition rice.
Yeah. No lumpy and shelly. We not go shelly.
What Shelly mean?
Shelly's a woman.
Oh.
Can't go food. Can't go woman and food.
Oh, okay. Yeah, whatever they say. Yeah, respect. Bless.
Yeah.
No Shelly.
No shelly rice.
But you used to do the Shelly belly, remember?
Shelly belly and that one dance. Miss.
No Shelly.
No shelly rice.
Let me try some.
Partition rice. No shelly rice.
Yes, listen. Love, peace, prosperity. Love, peace. Yo, Dingy, look. You gotta add the flavor, Dingy, look. No, you gotta add the flavor, Dingy.
No.
You gotta add the flavor. You gotta add the flavor. You gotta add it.
Dog,
You
yo.
gotta add pineapple. You have to add it.
Oh, dog.
You have to add it. Trust me.
What you are about?
Pardon me. Yes, Naya! Aya! More fire! Pineapple, curry. You have to. Trust me. It adds flavor. We work it together. It adds flavor. Trust me, no man.
You're not going to worry, though.
Don't touch. Yeah. Don't touch me. You know I like you touch me. Yeah. No war.
Yeah.
This is flavor. Look. Look at that. Boom! What a bomba! Can't curse. Look at that. Then you cover it. Watch it work the magic. Trust me, no man. Trust me. Yeah, we gotta work together, right? Isn't this the video? No competing.
Flip. When you see me cook, you know, see me cook the thing, hombre. Love my food, hombre.
No, don't touch.
When you cook your food, you do it, you are
Don't touch. No.
Don't
touch. It's not foolishness. We talked about this earlier. This is the point of the video. Working together, coming together.
bad
Peace.
mind.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me, man. Hey, you're strong. Hey. Come on, man. I don't want to do this.
But you wanna know.
Why you got a point when
It
you
can't
talk?
work. Then that's so we stay with Jamaica.
No.
You know it's a serious thing we are dealing with. I'm not trying.
Yeah. Talk to me.
But you wanna know, it will work. Find out it will work, you know. Number week. You understand?
You think it'll work?
Yeah, it will have a flare with it.
Taste test time.
Talk to me, Flip. Talk
Taste
to me,
test
Flip.
time. You know we work together, we come together. Pineapple, corn, butter bean, chicken, they got mad, but hey, let me taste it.
Talk to my Flip. Talk to my Flip.
Ah!
Hey, yo!
This is good!
Have to be.
Fire! Literally and figuratively. Eh? This is the best. I made it. I taught Ding how to make it. Listen, when you come to Jamaica, you work together, we stay together. And that's how we practice. Up top, three of us, ding dong. This shit is good. Queen.